On the channel Dei Gratia, we will show you the secrets of the world that very few people know. Watch videos about mysterious places, rare animals, ancient history, and strange natural realities. If you are interested in these secrets of the world, then subscribe to our channel and fill your mind with wonders.
The Mary Celeste, the ghost ship mystery. The ocean has always been mankind's greatest mystery. Its depths hide not only creatures unknown, but also secrets that challenge our understanding of history. Among those secrets lies one of the most baffling tales ever told, the story of a ship found adrift, fully intact, but utterly abandoned. A ship that carried food, water, and cargo, but no trace of its captain, crew, or passengers. This ship was the Mary Celeste, and to this day it remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the sea. The Mary Celeste was not always known by that name. She was first built in 1861 in Nova Scotia, Canada, and was originally called the Amazon. From the very beginning, the vessel seemed cursed. On her maiden voyage, her first captain fell ill and died. On another journey, she collided with a fishing boat. Later, she struck another ship in the English Channel. After a string of bad luck, the Amazon was eventually sold to American owners in 1868, who renamed her Mary Celeste. But the new name did not erase her strange fate, it only deepened the mystery. On November 7, 1872, the Mary Celeste set sail from New York Harbor bound for Genoa, Italy. Her cargo consisted of 1,701 barrels of industrial alcohol, highly valuable but also potentially dangerous. Commanding the ship was Captain Benjamin Spooner Briggs, a respected and experienced sailor. He was accompanied by his wife Sarah Briggs and their young daughter Sophia. Along with them were 7 trusted crew members, making a total of 10 people on board. The voyage began smoothly. The weather was favorable and the ship was sturdy. There was no reason to expect disaster. Yet, less than a month later, the Mary Celeste would be discovered adrift, a ghost ship with not a single soul aboard. On December 4, 1872, another ship, the Dei Gratia, spotted a vessel drifting aimlessly about 400 miles east of the Azores Islands in the Atlantic Ocean. From a distance, the ship appeared intact, its sails partially set. But something was odd, it seemed deserted. Captain Morehouse of the Dei Gratia sent a boarding party. What they found became legend. The Mary Celeste was seaworthy, showing no signs of storm damage. There was plenty of food and fresh water, enough to last 6 months. The cargo of alcohol barrels was intact, though some appeared to have leaked. Personal belongings of the captain and crew were still in place. The ship's logbook showed everything had been normal until November 25th. And yet, the crew, the captain, his wife, and child, all were gone. The investigation revealed chilling details. One lifeboat was missing. The compass and navigation equipment were gone. There were 3.5 feet of water in the hold, but not enough to threaten the ship. The last logbook entry gave no hint of trouble, simply routine navigation. It was as if the crew had suddenly, and without warning, abandoned ship and vanished into thin air. Over the years, countless theories have been proposed. Let's examine some of the most famous ones. Some historians suggest the crew turned against Captain Briggs, but no evidence of violence was found, and the crew's wages and belongings were untouched. Why would mutineers vanish without trace? The barrels of alcohol may have leaked, creating dangerous fumes. A small explosion might have panicked the crew into abandoning ship, but the hold showed no fire damage and the ship was still safe. Another theory is piracy, yet the cargo, money, and valuables remained untouched. Pirates rarely leave treasure behind. Some speculate about a seaquake or underwater volcanic activity that shook the ship and terrified the crew. Others suggest a sudden waterspout or rogue wave. But again, why leave behind a perfectly seaworthy vessel? For many, the mystery of the Mary Celeste goes beyond science. The absence of struggle, the eerie silence, and the complete disappearance of people have led some to claim the ship was cursed or haunted. Tales of ghostly figures on deck and paranormal explanations remain popular even today. The Mary Celeste quickly captured public imagination. Newspapers across the world called it the ghost ship. In 1884, the famous author Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, creator of Sherlock Holmes, wrote a fictional story inspired by the case. His story exaggerated details, but it made the mystery world famous. Since then, the Mary Celeste has appeared in countless books, TV documentaries, and films. Even today, when people discuss ghost ships or maritime mysteries, Mary Celeste is always at the top of the list. Why the Mary Celeste mystery endures? What makes this story so powerful, even after 150 years? The ship was perfectly fine. Supplies were untouched. No signs of struggle or violence. And yet, every human being was gone. It is this perfect contradiction that makes the Mary Celeste one of the greatest mysteries in history. Unlike other maritime disasters, there is no wreckage, no bodies, no survivors. Just a ship drifting silently across the ocean, holding its secrets. Today, the Mary Celeste remains a symbol of the unknown. Maritime experts still debate the case. Some lean toward natural explanations, others keep the door open for stranger possibilities. But the truth is, we may never know what really happened. Perhaps the ocean swallowed the answers. Perhaps the crew's fate is written in a logbook we will never find. Or perhaps some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved, forever haunting human imagination. As long as the sea exists, the story of the Mary Celeste will sail with it, an eternal ghost ship drifting not just in the waters, but in our collective memory. The waves whisper a secret. The wind carries an unanswered question. And somewhere in the heart of the Atlantic, the Mary Celeste still sails, alone.